guys, welcome back to my channel, The Nature and the Wild. So today it's a really nice day and the sun is shining, the light is very good, and I decided to come out with one of my very dear friend. He's also a photographer, and we are going to a place it's a little bit in the west called Oswader Plassen, and a lot of birds. Is mostly the wetland and water body, so we'll be walking a lot for a couple of kilometers, and if we're lucky we might get a glimpse of eagle. So that is our main traction point. So we just stopped here nearby a place and see a lot of small birds are moving here and there, so I want to see what is that and take some pictures. So guys, stay tuned with me. I will give you a glimpse, a point of view of the place, and let me know. Thanks a lot.
Not really exciting word.
Maybe we can ask them. They can tell us what is the best place to watch them. Sea errant. They're basically the sea errant.
Yeah, I will show you the.
Yeah, look, thrush. So the eagle closer. Look, so beauty. Yeah. This is what happened.
You don't see birds.
Yeah.
When you don't take your camera out of
Wait, something is not. Ah, there. Chip chop. Angle is not good. Hey guys, so we are still walking on the path, and that was really great. We just spotted a cuckoo. I had to climb up a little bit to get a nice clear picture. I will post it in the video. Let me know what you think. But this place is amazing. A lot of birds, small birds, and the light is a little good. So it's a little bit cloudy, but the sun will come up. Together with my friend, we are taking the trail now for the eagle. Okay. You see, the reeds are quite high. The birds are really down there. When it's little bit evening, 6 when we are coming back,
Okay.
that time they will be hunting. For food, huh?
Yeah.
And actually, this is not even the time for the best bird, huh? Best bird you will get when it is July or August. That time the kids will come out, the birds, small birds, and so the best time is this time. The birds are really busy, nesting, laying the eggs, and during the time of July and August, this bird will be more busier to feed their little ones, and that's the best time when you get night shots, and you see them more frequently than now. And we are also right now around 5:30, so sitting there, just come slowly. So, yeah, guys, you see there are a lot of bird watchers here.
Beautiful.
We are really getting, the sun is falling on us, but I just heard that they saw the eagle, so we need to follow through this trail, and there is a hut, and hopefully we'll see.
Luck. Ciao.
Yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, there are small birds, and then there are this sea eagle, they call them, the Zee-arend in Dutch. So Z means sea, the arend means eagle, so sea eagle. So, and they have 7 of them, what I know. So hopefully. But now let's spend some time here and to get a nice picture of this little bird. There are a lot of blue throats, they told me. They saw in the end of the path, and there is a height. In that height, they saw those 3 eagles circling around there. So we're on the right path. Yeah, but I want you to get the picture of this cricket or reed warbler. Need a picture of it. So let's wait here. I think there is a place maybe under the tree, so we see. This is quite high. Come, let's wait here. If you see, you will see them for sure. Take a picture snapped from here. There, one is moving there. It's just behind this tree, the one tree, there, it will come up. It's moving. How are you feeling today? Do you like this place?
Already trying out because of the hot. It's too hot today, but still our how to say that, the passion towards the birding, it's pulling us.
Yeah, definitely, friends. Birding is a hobby where you need to have a lot, plenty of patience inside you, because you will not get them easily just sitting in front of you. So every time you see birds, and then you need to wait. different places here in Oswaka Pass, so where you can sit and look at the birds. Mostly the water body is nearby, and we were waiting for the eagle, but we couldn't see it yet. But got quite of nice photographs for different birds. So now we will be heading towards and see if we find something else. Stay tuned with me, guys. I can give you a nice look of the place. You can have a look. This place is really great. So guys, this is almost now 6:30, and I hope this is the time when I can get some nice birds. This is very with a small bird. Just to come up. I got to another picture. Here, I don't see anything through here. Can you check what is those two? I think they not look like a duck. Yeah, duck. Black merle. It's very common here. Where are the blue throats? I don't see any one of them. It's a blackbird. What? Oh, what? Take it. we have seen a white rectangle here, and try to take a picture. It's a little bit far. Try to go slowly closer. So that's the thing, guys, when you see a bird and approach it very slowly, not directly, and when you approach slowly, and the bird should think like we are not approaching the him, and in that scenario you can get nice picture. Yeah, you can take a nice picture. Look. Oh, it's there. Yeah. Oh, swallow. Nice, huh? Oh, fish, you see how big fish?
It's not.
Yeah. What is that? Kicker. Carp. These are the carp fish. Not eatable, but it doesn't taste. Hey guys, hi. So let's call it a day, and I'm now going back to home. The sun is going down. It's almost now 8 p.m. in the evening, and just the last final shot, I got a red cap, and hopefully you guys liked today's adventure. I will put all the pictures in here, and if you like, subscribe my channel and let me know what else you wanted to know. Again, I was out with my Canon R7 and RF 500, and it served me very well. I have absolutely no problem. Everything went very great. So thank you for the support, and see you in the next episode.